Thank you for joining me. Hopefully I sound a little bit better than I did in the last video. I'm still not 100%, but I am feeling a lot better. So it's time to polish off those paper pads again, and this one is from Chloe's Creative Cards. I've had this one in my stash for a good few years now, so it's time to use it up. It's a partial pad, only about 11 sheets of pattern paper, a few sheets of solid colours and pearlescence. There are also a few cut parts in this pad which I won't be using in my cards. So I've taken a card sketch from Jess Crafts, which is for 8x8 pattern paper and A2 cards. However, I am adapting this sketch to use with A6 cards. So I've cut all the papers according to the sketch, and each sheet cuts 4 panels that are 3 by 4 inches, and then there are 4 2x2 squares. So one sheet of 8x8 pattern paper will make 4 cards. So I've taken the 2 solid panels, solid colours, which are 3 1/4 by 5 1/4, and then another one which is 3 1/2 by 4 1/2. So I've got increments of 1/4 of an inch, and this is to double mat the triangles that I'm cutting. I'm also going to use some Love from Lizzie peel-offs for separation and sparkle. I've used one stamp set which is from Dovecraft. It's fairly old, and I've had it in my stash for years. So I will use the Stampin' Dies using Catherine Pooler inks, and I've used Party Dress, Grass Skirt, Tiara and It's a Boy, and the inks I've just sort of die cut and stamped and mass produced the little ephemera pieces to go on the front of my cards. You'll see those in a moment. So if I can find the links to the stamp set that I used and the paper pad I used, I will link them in the description box below. If there are no links, then I'm sorry, I'm not able to find them, or they're not available anymore. So using what was left over in this pattern paper pad, I have made over 40 cards, and I'll donate them. So for the last few minutes, I'll play some music for you to enjoy. If you've got any questions, please drop that in the description box below. Thanks for staying with me this far. Please give me a thumbs up before you leave. Take care of each other, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.